Let's implement another method named getTeacher. This method is expecting an integer variable to be provided by the service consumer. The parameter is declared as teacher ID. It is a get method, so we use @get. We use @producers to declare a response type for the service. Since this class is expecting a parameter provided from the service consumer, we need to add it in the path to represent the parameter. For example, here we have /getTeacher/teacher ID. The teacher ID is appended after the service name within a pair of curly braces. This indicates that the service consumer will append it with some numbers. Let's have a look at the source codes. This is the implementation of the service and the method that binds to it. The first two lines, we declare the web method as get and use producers to declare the return type of the service. Then we specify the path where the service is accessible at localhost 8080 REST provider services /teacher/getTeacher/10. The value 10 in the URI is the value for the teacher ID in the path class. Then we need to do some modification to our method here. Instead of the original declaration value of integer, we use path_param and specify the name of the URI parameter, which is teacher ID, to bind the data between the service and the method. After that, we tell our Java that the bound data will be known as ID in this method. This is the service URL that we will use to test on Postman. Let's copy the whole address and paste it on Postman. We paste the service address that we want to test in a new Postman tab. So we click this plus sign. It will give us a new tab. Paste our address. Then we click enter. So it gives us the information by saying that the teacher with ID 10 is not found. So it gives us the expected output. So we have successfully bind the service address with the method.